Creating a thriving pasture in tropical climates of Australia starts here. Welcome to BARENBRUG'S expert guide on pasture improvement, designed to help farmers achieve long-term productivity and profitability. G'day, I'm Marty from BARENBRUG'S Seeds. Pasture improvement is a big process, but a rewarding one when executed with planning and precision. Today, we're breaking down the 7 key steps that form the foundation of successful pasture management. Steps built upon years of expertise, experience, and collaboration with Australian farmers. Step 1. Planning and preparation. The first step to a successful pasture is to have a solid plan. Preparing your paddocks early ensures weeds are under control and your pastures have space to thrive. Think long term and map out your paddock's productivity goals. Step 2. Knowing your soil. Great pastures begin with healthy soils. Conduct soil tests to identify nutrient gaps, condition issues, or limitations. Then amend them with the right solutions. Healthy soils grow healthy pastures. Step 3. Pasture selection. Selecting the right pasture is critical. Choose species based on your rainfall zone, soil type, and frost tolerance. For tropical climates, matching your pasture to local conditions ensures resilience and productivity. Step 4. Timing. Planting at the right time is everything. Time your sowing around favourable soil temperature and moisture, avoiding late season frost. Allow your pasture the climate conditions it needs for strong emergence and ability to fully establish that season. Step 5. Sowing. Precision is key during sowing. Choose the right method for your paddock and ensure the perfect seed soil contact at the correct depth. This gives your seed the best chance to establish. Sowing deeper than 15 millimeters, our research shows that our emergence is reduced upwards of 60%. Step 6. Establishment. Grazing too soon can damage new plants. Wait until the pasture is properly anchored, then graze lightly to encourage tillering. Spelling your pasture in late summer helps ensure robust seed set for long-term persistence. Step 7. Maintenance. Great pastures require great care. Maintain optimal grazing management practices, strategically fertilise and preserve a strong legume component. Small actions now will maximise your pasture's long-term performance. So there you have it, BARENBRUG'S 7 steps to a successful pasture. A clear path to unlocking the potential of your land while supporting your livestock's needs. For tailored advice and the highest quality seeds, trust the experts at BARENBRUG. For more information, contact your local territory manager or visit our website today and grow with confidence.